The Algerian Air Force has reportedly begun operating a number of Russian-made Su-35 fighter jets. The aircraft are operated from Oum Bouaghi Air Base. Reports suggest that the Su-35 delivered to Algeria were originally ordered by Egypt in 2018, but were later cancelled due to political pressure from the West. Analysts believe that Algeria's decision to accept the Su-35 is related to the delay in the Su-57 production schedule and is a temporary solution. Some sources reported that this decision was influenced by cost-effective acquisition requirements, aircraft availability, and the need to maintain combat readiness while awaiting the arrival of the Su-57. Algeria reportedly acquired the Su-57 from Russia in 2021, becoming the first foreign customer for the Russian fifth-generation fighter jet. There are even reports that Algerian pilots have undergone training in Russia. Given ongoing production constraints and the Russian Air Force's procurement priorities, the delivery schedule for Algeria remains uncertain. The Su-57 is planned to replace Algeria's retired MiG-25 interceptors. The Algerian Air Force currently operates more than 70 Su-30 MKA multirole fighter aircraft. Some reports suggest that Algeria may also be considering an upgrade program for its Su-30 MKA fleet, integrating elements from the Su-35, such as the AL-41F1S engine and Irbis-E radar to optimize logistics and standardize performance.